Good morning, students. In today's video, we'll continue with the same topic, that is verbs, wherein we were dealing with a particular type, that is transitive and intransitive verbs. In the last video, we have already seen what is a transitive verb. Today, we are going to learn intransitive verbs. Now, we'll learn intransitive verb with the help of this sentence. He arrived. Now you can see here we have a subject, he, and a verb, arrived. Is this sentence complete? Yes, it is a complete sentence. It conveys a meaning. He arrived. The sentence is complete in itself. We don't require here an object to complete the sentence. While in transitive verb, we require an object to complete it. Are you getting it? Now, here the subject is doing the action of the verb and nothing receives the action. So, arrived here in this sentence is an intransitive verb. An intransitive verb does not pass the action of the subject to an object. It expresses an action that is complete in itself and it does not need an object to receive the action. But transitive verb needs an object to receive the action. Clear? Now let's take one more example in order to understand it. The apple fell from the tree. Now the apple fell from the tree. Here, can you identify the verb? The verb here is fell. Now, while I was discussing transitive verb, I had told you that if you ask a question, what or whom, after the verb, you will get an answer. And that is the object. So here, if we ask a question, the apple fell, what? Does it make any sense? No. The apple fell whom? Again, it does not make any sense. Do we get an answer? No. So here fell is intransitive verb because when we ask a question what or whom, we do not get an answer. And if you ask that what is this then from the tree? See students, from the tree is not an object. It is an adverbial phrase. It acts like an adverb and tells us where it happened. Are you getting it clear? Now, let us deal with intransitive verbs with the few more examples. The first one, we arrived around midday. Now, again, let me tell you here, the verb is arrived. Now, how to identify whether this is transitive or intransitive? Now, ask a question, we arrived what? It doesn't make any sense. We do not get an answer to it. We arrived whom? Are we getting an answer as around midday? No, not at all. So we arrived. Here arrived is an intransitive verb. Similarly, we can take the second one. She sneezed loudly. Now here sneezed is the verb. Now if I ask a question, she sneezed what? No, we don't get an answer. Loudly is not the answer to it. So here loudly is not the object. Here, sneezed is intransitive verb, which does not require an object to complete its sense. It is complete in itself. She sneezed loudly. We don't require an object here. Similarly, let's take the second last. He stood in the corner. Again, he stood what? He stood whom? We are not getting the answer. In the corner is not the answer. So here also we don't require an object to complete its sense. So stood here is intransitive verb. Is it clear, students? That's all for today. We'll deal with it again in the next video. Thank you.